Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be checking out a village with 8 blacksmiths. So I will put the code for this road in the description down below. And so this is the starting road. You start in a spruce village, and it looks like a regular world, stuff like that. But if you see, just follow this river, and like if you don't want to, you can just go like this. And if you look, there is a ravine filled with lava. But not only, there is the village, a couple hundred blocks away. So if you don't believe me, this village has 8 blacksmiths. To prove it, I'm going to place a lantern on each of them. 1. Why can't this thing place? 1, 2. Oopsie. I cannot find the others. Don't mind me just walking around. 1, 2. Okay, this is 3. Excuse me, people. Where are the other ones? Sorry, it's just I'm new to this world. I cannot. 4. 5. 6. Now time to find the 8th one. I cannot find it. Even though I pre-looked this one. Even though I already looked through this road a little bit, I still can't find it. Well, I will find it eventually, but there is 8 ones. 8 blacksmiths. One has one. I'm getting frustrated. I can't find it. I already checked there. Is it up on here? Yes, it is. Did I count wrong? Wait. There's another one. Did I count wrong? Pretty sure I counted wrong, but there should be 8. There might be 9, but it should be 8. Okay, so if you know, blacksmith is something that you don't normally find 8 or whatever 9 of, and they are known for having the loot inside. Normally they have like iron and gold, sometimes food, but if you're lucky, you could get like diamonds from this village. Since there is 8 or 9, I don't know, I think I counted wrong, but since there is so many blacksmiths, there is like a high chance that you'll already be able to make an ender portal or something. Nether portal, I mean. I cannot talk today. Despite how good the village is, it does have one feature. Well, another feature. It spawns right next to a cave filled with lava. If you look, there is a lot of ore. And let's see, if you drop down, this gets you at the depth of 12, which is the depth to finding diamonds. As you can see right there, that's the beloved diamonds. I'm pretty sure everybody wants to get diamonds, right? Or is it just me? Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody. Now, I know this village may seem cool, but there is and to be fair, if you look, you can just clear out all these trees and you can have this like nice big mountain hill for your. If you look from above, it doesn't really look like that there's that many blacksmiths. And it's not really big if you look from above. But I'd say if you are starting a survival world, this could be the perfect place to start. And yeah, especially with the ravine there. And it's only like a 200 blocks away from spawn, and you just have to follow the river. Or walk aside the river. And plus, I love when I spawn in these, like with these places, because I like pumpkin. I like to like stay with the pumpkins. I like to find pumpkins. I'm gonna quickly go back. This way. If you go after the village, if you go like far down this way, a couple hundred blocks, I'm gonna have to go this. Why am my world not loading in? This is like the first time. Oh, at least I can see some caves. Well, go back over here. I'm waiting for it to load. Can you please load world, please? I'm begging you. My world does not want to load. I'm gonna just keep on going. And you find right here a broken ender portal. And the thing about this is that they normally have these loots in the chest, which can give you armor, weapons, and sometimes obsidian to complete the portal. And I'm trying to look for something specific, but I don't think I can find it. I think I might be going the wrong way. Yep, I think I am. Oh, behind the village is that, but now we have to go in front of the village. I went the wrong way. We going at super speed. Really? Did I have to bump into the mountain? Just keep going until you get to negative 200 something. Oops, went too far. We have to go this way. And let's wait for this to load in. There should be a village around here somewhere. Around this way. Yeah, right here. Of course, on this one, I can't find any blacksmith. Nope, there's one right here. And one at the mountain. So in this one, there is 2 blacksmiths. Not as good as the 8 blacksmith one, but still lucky to find. So, like I said before, if you are doing a new survival world, I'd say this would be the perfect world to start in. Use the code that's going to be in the description. You'll be able to find 2 villages. One of them has 8 blacksmiths. Another has 2. And if you think about it, 8 is a lot of blacksmiths. And normally when I do it, I only find 1 blacksmith. So this is a really lucky find. Also, if you look over here, I love the structure of this mountain. And there's an ender the nether portal. Should be around here somewhere. Oh, there's pumpkins. There should be right here. I keep saying ender portal, but I mean nether portal. This is the most deformed portal I have ever seen. Doesn't even look like the ones. But as you can see, there is more gold and obsidian. So by the time that you look through all those blacksmiths and like stuff, then you're probably gonna, by the time you look through all the blacksmiths from the other village and maybe come here, you're probably already going to be able to go to the nether in the first like 10 minutes. And if you guys have a code that you guys think would work for the world, then please put it in the comments down below if they are opened. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.